Hey everybody, welcome back. I've just been sitting here doing some practicing, and I got to thinking about the paperclip thing, and I thought, well, this Bunker Hill lock, this rake works pretty much just like a key for it. All I do is I put it in, get it in position, and put tension on, and it pops. So since this paperclip rake is pretty much the same as that, I wondered if it would do the same thing. So if I put it in to where the second hump is just past pin 1, oops, give it a little jiggle, maybe. I don't know if that's open or not. Well, let's try it with the regular tensioner. It worked when I practiced it. Try it with a smaller end, maybe. The smaller end won't work. There we go. We got the open on it. This core is too stiff to do it with this. It did work when I practiced on it with this, but I have the shackle open and I got the core to turn a little bit, and then I had to put this in the top of the keyway to finish turning it. But yeah, so raking the Bunker Hill with a paperclip. That's all I have for this one. See you in the next one.